Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately we do not have to download any kind of third-party app because the developer provided us with the iManager. So this is the app, you have to find it, it is for sure pre-installed on your device. So find iManager. Let's open it, and as you can see here, we've got something called security scan. So let's tap on it, give all the permissions it needs, and now your device is scanning itself in order to find any kind of malware and viruses. As you can see, in my case, everything is all right. We've got the results here, and the additional data, so the app detection times. Basically, if your device will find any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, or basically any kind of problems, it will show you the information about it and it will guide you through the steps of how to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.